At a time, you have to put only one pen in between your upper lip and your nose. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey, no. 1 second. Wait. Very nice.
बिना खाए भाग रहे हो.
Come on. Chew the kakdi.
No help. उधर कर रहा है.
Round amazing. And also round of applause for Barcelona.
आराम से.
Totally disqualified. He's still eating the cucumber.
Come on, guys. Come on. Great job. Good job, guys.
भागो बॉल छोड़ो.
Who is playing? Saurabh, what's the team name? Sydney. Saurabh from Sydney. The rest of the 3 members can go over there. Next, who's Sohail from Glasgow will be crossing this obstacle race. Next, Akash from London will be crossing this obstacle. And last team, Savio. Who's playing? Donald is playing from Tokyo.
कुकुम्बर.
Now Shiv and Shivansh will give you a demo of how to cross this obstacle race. This race is about whoever comes first wins the race, the last one gets eliminated. Now when we say 3, 2, 1, Shiv, can you start? First you have to take the pen from the glass below and put it between your lips and nose and hold it in a way where you walk towards this red table and put it in the glass just like this with your nose. Shiv, can you show it? You don't have to touch your hands or anything. You just have to hold that pen from your upper lips and nose. You have to throw it like this in the glass. There are 5 pens. You have to throw all the 5 pens in this glass. If in between the pen falls in between, you have to start from the beginning again. And next thing, once you put all the 5 pens in the glass, there is a bowl in front of you which you have to finish it fully. And once the volunteer approves that you have eaten it, the whole bowl, you go to the next stage where you have to solve a puzzle. Once you solve the puzzle, you take all the 3 members from there and you bridge this way via cardboard cutouts, which Shiv will show you right now. All the team members have to put your cardboard cutouts like this and have to make a bridge and come to the starting stage, starting point. Yes.
रूल्स की मुझे वापस एक बार समझाना पड़ेगा. Everybody understood?
Okay, I need everybody to respond whenever we are asking a question, please, so that we all obviously as volunteers know that you guys have understood whatever we are trying to explain everyone. So one demo which has been shown to you guys start from here, which is taking the pen in between your nose and the lips. get to this position, which is the red carpet here, as in the long table. Finish the bowl. Once you guys have finished the bowl, obviously we need to see that you guys have eaten whatever is in the bowl. Once the volunteer approves that you have finished the bowl and eaten it properly, then you guys move to the chair level, which is solving a puzzle. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Clear? Yes?
Yes.
Perfect. Now once that puzzle is formed, there are cardboard sets behind the chairs. You guys need to pick up the cardboard. Shiv, can you please demo what are you going to do with those cardboards, please? Just come ahead to see what they need to do with the cardboard. And please remember, you guys need to come back to the place where the cup and your pens were kept. Not till here. We will be moving this. Okay?
So everybody's understood the rules now? Please take your positions, everybody. Team members, please take your positions. All clear? Positions taken? At a time, you have to put only one pen in between your upper lip and your nose. Ready, guys? Everybody in position? All the people, extra people standing, please be seated. यहाँ पे जितने extra लोग हैं, please be seated. Only the participants will be in the front. Ma'am, can you please be seated? Please be seated, ma'am. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, no. 1 second, wait. You cannot use your hands. You cannot. Please go back. Take a pen. And आपको पहले से नहीं रखना है. आपको you have to remove it and keep it back. Please remove it when I say 3, 2, 1. Go. Remove the pen from the glass. Place it. Come here without using your hands. आपको ऐसे ही you have to put it in the glass. Don't use your hands. The hand is supposed to be used only when you go back to pick up the second pen. Okay? Yeah, please keep your hands at the back after you put the pen. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. No. Please wait for the whistle and please keep standing. Don't use your hands. I mean, use your hands, but आप ऐसे झुक के मत रुकिए. Please be ready. And once I say 3, 2, 1, once the whistle blows, then you go for it. Okay? Three, 2, 1, go. Guys, come on, I need you to cheer for your team members. Come on. Very nice, very nice. And we have 2 teams that are in the lead. 2 teams in the lead. 3 teams in the lead and the third team is almost done. Yes. Moving to the second round.
बिना खाए भाग रहे हो।
Come on, guys. You can do it.
Come on.
Come on. Chew the kakadi. And the first team is on the third round. We have reached the third part of the game, the puzzle game.
ए विशाल तुम लोग बना के रखो ना उधर।
काले काले पूरा काले
हाँ? विशाल को बोलते ना बना के रखो ना, बना के रखो ना वो puzzle।
Come on, and that's right. Very nice, very nice.
अजून आहेच त्याच्या
अरे हरी आला।
हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, बोल तो सकते हैं ना, बोल भी नहीं सकता। नो हेल्प उधर करना नहीं सिंह, जा
Very nice. Come on, guys. Come on. And then we have to release your team. Great. The first team is in the lead.
डोक्याचा पाय टाकतो हा वाला इथे टाकतो। अरे 2 टीम गेल्या।
Amazing, guys. Come on. Barcelona is in the lead and the winning team. Sydney is the winning team of this round. Great job, guys. Teams has won this round. Amazing. And also a round of applause for Barcelona.
अड़ू आराम से टेक इट इजी गाइस।
Aniket, your team, Savio, it's disqualified. Totally disqualified. He's still eating the cucumber. He hasn't finished. It's Barcelona. They all reached together. You guys reached one by one. So as of now, wait, don't fight with me. One second. So it's 4 teams will be obviously being approved and going to the next round. So all 3 of these teams, right? No, these are 3. Okay, in this one, Tokyo gets disqualified. Rest all of you, round 2.
एक ही बाहर जाएगा जो डिस्क्वालीफाई होगा, तो इसलिए मैं उसको बोला था फिनिश कर।
Alright, so all the teams that are in the winning side, please be seated.
बोल रहे कुकुम्बर अभी भी खा रहा है फिनिश करके भी खा रहा है।
Next 5 teams, that is Madrid, Perth, Berlin, Puerto Rico and Copenhagen.
मागच्या उडून दिला तर कुठला
Team Perth. Where is Team Perth? Please come to the right side of the stage, Team Perth. Team Berlin आ चुके हैं? Okay. Puerto Rico.
बाकीच्यांचे पदार्थ बघतो डिफरंट बॅकग्राऊंड होते कॉन्ट्रास्ट होतो
Team Puerto Rico. Where is Team Puerto Rico?
But you guys reach the second obstacle. Sachin, when you guys reach the second obstacle, you guys need to make sure that you eat the entire cucumber. Only when the volunteer says yes, you've completed it, you move to the next level. Is that clear? You can't be eating and going to the next level. You have to make sure that you finish that entire bowl. Everyone ready?
Okay, so please put your hands up. Madrid? Who's Madrid? You're Madrid. No, wait. Madrid, can you please stand on the first side? यहाँ पे first, yes. अच्छा नहीं, उनका teams ऐसे assembled है क्या वहाँ पे? ठीक है, वहाँ पे रुक जाइए. Okay, so wait. False alarm. Okay. So I will be saying 3, 2, 1, and she'll be blowing the whistle. And once the whistle is blown, then you start. The rules are only use your hand to pick up the pen and place it on in your upper lip and nose ke beech wala area. Other than that, no using your hands. When you put the pen into the glass also, you have to do it directly without using your hands. Okay? Great. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, guys! Come on! One pen gone. Your pen is gone. Good job, Porto and Copenhagen. And good job, Berlin also. Okay, Berlin is in the lead. Berlin is in the lead. He's reached the second segment. Come on. And we have Porto again, and we have Madrid, Pert. You're Pert, right? Come on, guys. Come on, very good. Let's see who finishes first. Oh, so the Pert has already finished the second segment and has reached the third round. He's already solving the puzzle. Berlin also following up with the third round. Pert and Berlin are in the lead, and now we also have Madrid joining them. Come on, Copenhagen and Porto. Come on, I want the teams cheering. Come on, Porto.
डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दूंगा अच्छे से देखो एकदम टाइट मत कर
Come on, Porto. You can still do it. Come on. And also Madrid following. Come on, guys. Come on. Berlin in the lead. Good job, Berlin. Come on. Is also in the lead, and so is Madrid. Good job, guys. Good job. Copenhagen, very good job. Amazing.
Obviously.
And now we also have Perth following up. Come on guys, you can still do it. Come on Porto, you still have a chance. Don't give up, Porto. You still have a chance. Come on.
Your own team. So you have to select a partner from your team. Please, not in this turn position. Now, from this starting point, 0, whichever. But the catch here is, if the balloon falls, you need to start again. Your balloon should not fall. Is it clear? The starting point is here.
फूट गया तो फूट गया तो
The group of 2 and then reach the other point. Place your X.
Ready? 3. Okay, 3, 1, go! Come on guys, come on, great job. Good job guys.
भागो 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 बॉल छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो
And the winning team of this is Madrid.